So kung ginawa mo yun, parang gumaya ka lang ng ibang DJ. Okay, may tanong tayo dito. Yung mga DJ transition na napapanood natin sa TikTok or sa Facebook or YouTube, okay lang ba na gayahin yun mga yun or copyrighted sila? Okay, first off, yung mga DJ transition, pati yung mga routines, wala naman talaga yan copyright, technically. Hindi ka naman pwedeng kasuhan legally, pero kung kukopya ka lang ng mga ginagawa ng ibang DJ sa mga transition nila or mga routines, gaya-gaya ka lang. I think at this point, lahat kasi tayo may access na to the same songs, the same software, even the same hardware. Sometimes, a lot of DJs use the same DJ controllers, di ba? Kaya, dapat yung pinapairal natin ngayon ay yung originality natin, pati creativity bilang mga DJ, and not just copycats. That's my opinion. Para sa akin, it's always been more important na maging original at maging kakaiba kaysa sa somebody na gumagaya sa kung anong uso or kung may nakita online. But that's just me. That's me as a musician. That's me as an artist, and that's also me as a DJ. So you probably might have like a different opinion on this, pero pagdating sa ganyang bagay, for me, I always try to do something that is true to who I am as a musician. So pag may nakita akong mga cool transitions online, they're great. I'll try to learn how to do those things too just for my own knowledge, pero hindi ko siya i-record or gagawin sa gig and then I'll pass it off as my own or like my original transition or something like that. Kasi isang uri rin yun ng pagnanakaw kung tutuusin. You're stealing ideas. We don't need any more stealing sa Pilipinas at this point.